Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make AI selfies using Snapchat Dreams. Let's get started. First, swipe up from the camera screen to open memories, then swipe right to the Dream tab. Then tap Create Dreams, follow the on-screen prompts and take several selfies from different angles for your customized AI model. After that, agree to the terms, pick a fun theme like alternative universe or fantasy portrait, then tap New Pack to generate up to 8 AI selfies. On the other hand, Snapchat Plus subscribers get 8 free dreams each month. Others can get the first pack free with additional packs available for about $1 as an in-app purchase. Once your AI selfies are ready, you'll receive notifications, then tap View My Dreams in Memories to see them and then save or share your favorites. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.